Guys, in this video, I will tell you why you will always remain incapable of trading. You will always remain not profitable and you will always be struggling. You will always be shorting the bottoms and you will always be longing the tops. Now, listen to me carefully. This video is going to be really insightful. Why? Because this is weekend. I've got some time free, so I can, you know, spare some time for education. Now, I listen to many people who just started, uh, who, uh, who first of all, who are not passionate about trading, and they just got lucky in some few trades. They made some money in last 6 months. The beginner's luck, you can call it. And then they lost almost all of that money which they made. Their whole trading experience is like 6 months, and that too comprising of beginner's luck. And then they talk big games. They talk big things that they trade daily time frame. They trade weekly time frame. Oh, it doesn't affect them. Oh, oh, I shorted here. I shorted here. It doesn't affect me because I'm a big time trader. I shorted here. It doesn't affect me because I'm a big time frame trader. Come on, man or girl. You just started trading 6 months ago. You have no clue how the market works. And you have no clue how the day trading works. Oh, sorry, how the swing trading works. You have no idea. You just got lucky in your first few trades because of the beginner's luck. And already you have lost all of your money, 80% of that profit you made. And now you tell me the big game. You're telling me, you're telling me I live traded in front of you guys from here, from here. You can go and watch my video when I called the bottom over here. I went in big time. There was some person who was arguing with me on this day, on this inside day, that how can you say this is bullish, this is bearish? How can you say it? His comment must be there. Now I'm sure that guy has blown his account during all this time, and he has gone silent. But if you will, do some research, you will find my video and go and check the time frame and find my video. You will see his comment. How can you say it? It's a it's a It's bullish. This is bearish. This is bearish pulse section. You don't know. I trade moving averages. I I know how to plot this and that. So this is bearish. This is not bullish. I saw from someone talking about bearish things on the YouTube. Then market is going to crash. Market is going to crash. We are going to 2000, 3000. How can you say this is bullish? And but the very next day we got this green candle, and since then he has gone silent. And since then, I'm sure he and many others have blown the account. So I'm not talking about those guys. I'm talking about those guys who just started 6 months ago. They got lucky, and now they have blown near 80% of the profit they made, and the remaining 20% they tell me the big game. Guys, nobody can do. I'm not saying I'm the best trader, but I'm saying I'm a very good swing trader. And even when you are doing the swing trading, there are rules of doing the swing tradings. Like I went in big over here, and I knew that the price will go over here for sure. I don't remember exactly, but I think from here or here, somewhere I knew that the price will go. So I kept my big position for a long time throughout this time. And during these pullbacks, I kept buying and adding. I kept buying and adding. You remember, if you watch my videos over here, I was telling you that this is a compression and it will break up. So I kept buying and adding. This was the big buy, this was the big buy, this was the big buy, and then when it broke up, I took some profit. So I took the big profit of all this thing. Right? This is how you do swing trading. And then when it pulled back, I bought some more. You will find my videos over here. And then I took profit somewhere around here. I don't exactly remember. And and now the higher we are going, the riskier the trade is getting. So I'm not doing such big position that I was doing over here. So I'm managing my risk. And now over here, when yesterday, oh sorry, on Wednesday, this red bar came, and again the bears started jumping up and down. I posted my video about the good news, bad news indicator, and also my worst case scenario video, which I posted 2 days ago, and I told them the worst case scenario for the bears is very minimal, and the price will go up of the ES. If you remember, you go and watch my video for the 2 days ago. So I told them the worst case scenario is nothing, and we are going to go up. And look what happened. We are upside. So don't tell me the big game. I know the big game. I've got the skills to buy the bottom here, 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 and I've got the cleverness also to take profit here. And then I have got the eye, and I've got the algorithm with me, which can detect that this is not going to break down, this will go up. And you just started 6 months ago, and you are telling me that you are a weekly time frame trader and that you shorted here, so it doesn't affect you. I bet it does affect you. And I bet psychologically you are a broken person now. You don't know what is going on in your world. Already you are down 20%, 80, you have lost 80% of you made. And the rest remaining 20%, it's under severe pain. It's under severe pain. So so the purpose of making this video is to tell you that you guys stand no chance trading if you don't, if you are just trading trading with the human mind. This is what I think. Human mind is incapable of trading intraday, especially. And I will give you an example of my group. If you guys remember that we got this bottom and we added here and we got this whole swing yesterday. And today, when this was happening, I was a bit distracted. So I did not pre-market, I did not get into this buy. Otherwise, my indicators, which and also the indicators which I have shared in my exclusive Discord group, it nailed the bottom right on the money over here and it over here. It was shouting at them that they long it. And few of the people they did long it. But I personally did not long it because out I was out in Dubai Mall doing shopping in a bookstore. I was buying some books for myself. And then this happened. And when this happened, my group, the people in my group, they are really talented. But even they got deceived. Even the talented traders with my indicators, they got deceived. They thought that this was going to now break up. This is how the mind works. Now this is going to continuously go up. But I told them no, the NQ cannot go up without me. It has to come back because I missed the trade. And this is exactly what happened. NQ then went down, came here, and then I got into the long here, and then it went up again. And when this was happening, and when this happened, and when this happened, Over here, the sentiment was that now the market is not going to go up because this decline was so fast. This decline was so fast, so I think the maybe the perhaps the top is in, or nothing is going to happen to the market now. So we may remain just here. Why? Because it is Friday also. But I actually got into the long over here, and few of my, I think most of my guys went along over here also with me, and we got this, and now we will get this. So I'm just telling you, despite despite the EIP, despite my the human mind, despite being equipped with EIP, I'm talking about my members of the group. They got when they got this, they thought it would continue going up, but I had to tell them that no, NQ cannot go up without me. It should come back, and then when it came over here, then the human mind was again tricking them and saying that perhaps the price will not go up from here because the decline is so sharp. But then we got this. So I'm just telling you that human mind is very naughty. Human mind, if you listen to your mind, you will not make good decision. Now, what I'm saying over here is very, it sounds very stupid that don't listen to the mind. But this is something which is, built in us evolutionary. We not only listen to our minds, but we also are checking other people also, what other people are saying. Before longing here, we go and check the chats and we go and check the other other things like what other people are saying, what other my other peers are saying, what other traders are saying, what other charts are saying, and then we decide whether to take the step or not. Not many people can put long here, I can tell you, and there are reasons, and they are correct. Why? Because SPX and SPY just broke above the August high, August 2022 high. So everybody was when this was going on, when this was going on, this chart was playing trick in their head that oh my god, such a bearish candle. We broke the August high. Now Ron Walker must be right. We are going to die because this is a bearish candle. But do you really think trading works like this? Do you really think that after break of every August high and you guys, if some Tom, Dick and Harry shorted here, the market will let him make the money? Do you really think that trading is so easy? They just break the August high and then, you know, it will dump like this? No. Go watch the documentary AlphaGo. A human mind stands no chance competing against the artificial intelligence. The AI already knows what you are thinking, and they know you would short here. So they would print a candle one day, but the next day they are already planning to take this up, take you out, to kill your spread, to kill your motivation. I know most people have gone very heavy short on this, and they are ejaculating on the idea of this trade. But do you think AI will let you have it? I don't think so. And I think they are already planning to take you out and give you more pain because only few people will close their shorts over here. 90% will, you know, remain in the drawdown and they are trading the margin accounts, highly leveraged. So most likely they will blow their accounts in the coming days. And when their accounts will be blown, only then we will start the correction. This is how the trading works. And this is how, and this is the actually the real big game. Telling me that you are a weekly trader or day trader and that you shorted here, so you it's all right, it doesn't affect you. No, it does affect you. I can smell, I can detect, I can detect a loser trader from a winning trader from 5 minutes of interaction. I've got such an experience. I've got such skills. Send me a trader. I'll talk to him for 10 minutes and then I would be able to, tell you whether he's a successful trader or not. I can smell a good trader from a bad one. So just because this bearish candle has been printed, do you think you will be allowed to make the money? No, you won't be. So don't. So talking about big game is stupid. The there are ways to trade the big game. That you long here, that you long here, that you long here, and then you take your profits, and then you start trading via EIP indicators on the intraday, on the 15 minute. The EIP indicators nailed the bottom here of NQ here, and today over here, and then over here, and then we will go up. This is how you trade. Oh no, I'm too big a trader to trade 15 minutes. I'm too big a trader. You are not even a trader. And it's my prediction, and it's EIP prediction, that within next 6 months you will blow your accounts. Because even swinging the big time frame trading, it requires skills. It requires skills. My old videos are testamount are testimony of this. That how to trade the big swings. I bought here, I bought here, I was buying here, and when this happened, I took the profit of all of this. And then I got back in over here, and when this squeeze happened, I got out. And when this dump happened, I did not freak out because I knew from my algorithm that it's not gonna dump. And then we got the short squeeze, and we will continue to squeeze. I think so. So, so this is how it is done. Most people have no idea, and most people stand no chance of trading the stock market. But if you want to stand a chance against the market and against everyone, then I've started my Discord group. It's a very exclusive group, a very no nonsense group where all of us are trading together the EIP signals, and the link is in the comment section. And this is my WhatsApp number for assistance if you need any help. Here, here, this is what I wrote yesterday when NQ just simply shot up like this after the market opened. I wrote over here that NQ will pull back because I'm not in the trade. I was just fooling around in the group. And Kurt, he's a really nice guy. He was laughing in a good way. And I just said, jokingly that NQ can't go up without me. And then what happened? And then what happened? NQ came back to me, just like this puppy. See? The Kurt, the Kurt's GIF is a perfect example how NQ came back to us, to me. And this is what happened. This is where it happened. This was the NQ. It shot up after the market opened, and then it came back over here. And our, I think our whole of the group went long over here, either in ES or NQ. And we got this trade. And we will get this trade. So I'm just telling you, the human mind is such a messed up thing that when it shot up, the human mind was telling it, "Oh God, we are going to break out totally. We are going to, go totally up." But when it fell down over here, then human mind started telling us that perhaps the move is done and it is Friday. Perhaps this would be the total move. And now the whole range is done, up, down. The big range is done, up, down. But no, because we because I do the daily swings, right? But I do daily swings with intraday in mind. So in my daily swing to 14,900, this is the bottom. This was the bottom. This was the bottom. So why would I miss this? My EIP algorithm has the bigger picture going on behind my back. And this is the bottom. So when the human mind will be tricking us over here and over here, we won't be getting fooled by the mind's tactics, by the games it plays. We will buy the dip because we know that the big move up is coming, and only we know, because rest of the people, they are going short on daily XPX this candle. Good luck with that. I don't think so. It will dump on Monday. Okay, guys, enough of the education. Purpose of the making the video is that even for the daily swings, even for the swing trading, which goes on for days and months, you need to have intraday trading skills. It's just like when you want to build a house with the hammer, you also need to have the nail. You need both. Just because you think you have the hammer. I personally think 90% people do not even have the hammer. But even if you think you have the hammer, you got to also know the nail. And only then you can talk big game. Until then, just remain quiet and enjoy the show. Watch us make money, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.